folks. So introducing you to Zhiyun Smooth Q, and today we are going to do an unboxing of this particular thing. I have the key and let's begin. Okay, let's finally get this thing opened. So I ordered this, not ordered actually, somebody got it from China for me. So let's get this aside. And this is the box. Where does this work? Okay. So, right. Finally. Ta-da! Okay, let's see, what do we have here? Let's keep this aside, and for what do we get in the box? We get this manual, and the other thing that we get is this, I think, the carry case strap. The USB. So I guess that's it. So moving on to this, let's keep this aside. Now we have this. The carry case looks really nice. At least you get something with the gimbal. Nothing comes free. Okay, finally. So I got this black gimbal, and here it is, the unboxing. I guess I'll have to turn this on. Let's see. So this is it. You get the case, strap, and the USB. Thanks for watching, folks. Good night.